Should I pre-stain my fence? There are a lot of benefits to pre-staining your fence. First and foremost, how much stain gets applied onto the fence. Because the boards get completely submerged inside of a dip tank, it really maximizes the amount of product that can get on the fence. And then it naturally drip dries. So in addition to it getting soaked, we don't wipe it off, we allow it to completely drip back into the tank. And the other benefit is that when you do pre-stain lumber, there are a lot of sections that are behind, like this 2x4 here, uh, behind this board. If we were to do it once it's up, we couldn't get behind that. Again, the tops, the bottoms, there's a lot of areas that don't get completely covered in stain when we do on-site staining. So if we have the opportunity, we prefer to pre-stain to maximize the protection of the fence. And that comes in a few different colors. We have light honey, pecan, and walnut. The process typically is where we connect with the fence contractor and pick up the material, or they drop off the material. We pre-stain it at our indoor facility, and then we drop it off at either the contractor's location or on the job site with our flatbed. But the benefits of pre-staining are pretty substantial. We have mildew, fungus, cracking, splintering, warping, UV damage, nail popping, cupping, graying, and fading. All these things get dramatically improved when we're able to pre-stain versus on-site. And that is how we pre-stain.